Morning, it's day 9. Oh, I'm nearly in double digits. Tomorrow is double digits. I have woken up with the most stinking head cold today though, which really sucks. I have done about a million sneezes, so that's annoying. But I guess it's just part of the process of all of the crap that your body stores just being released. So I'm not worrying about it. I'm just taking it really easy, letting this come out and see where I get to. Yesterday was such a better day. Today I've woken up with pretty good energy. My mood is pretty good as well. And that feels a lot better than where I was this weekend. So I also just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody that sent me messages, called me. I really appreciated the lovely words. How good is this sunshine? Oh, I'm loving it after a long, cold winter. It's so nice to see sun. Today is going to be about 23 or 24 degrees. No idea what that is in Fahrenheit. Sorry, everybody in Fahrenheit. But it's just a really beautiful day. So here's what I've decided. I'm pretending that this is a pina colada and I'm on vacation and I'm drinking my tropical flavored drink. Such a great pina colada flavor. I'm feeling a lot better, as you can probably see. Despite the fact I'm so full of head cold and I reckon I'm sneezing like 50 times an hour. I just can't stop sneezing. But that's not going to stop me because I feel good today. And it's really nice to be feeling a bit better than I was. And I'm heading into the second week. Well, I'm the second day of the second week. I had heard that the second week gets easier and it's feeling easier. I don't really miss eating at the moment, which is peculiar because I'm such a foodie, but I thought I was going to miss chewing more than I have. I missed it in the first few days, but I haven't really thought about chewing. I'm enjoying not thinking about food as much, and I tell you what, you save a lot of time not cooking, shopping, prepping, doing dishes. The dishes I do is I put my glass in the dishwasher, I put my NutriBullet in the dishwasher, and that's it. It's wonderful. And I have saved so much money because I'm not doing any food shopping, obviously, but I'm not doing any of the other stuff that goes with food eating, like going to cafes or going out for drinks or doing anything. So I literally, the only money I have spent in the last 9 days since starting the elemental diet is on the dog and buying the MCT oil and ghee, and that's it. So my bank balance is looking quite healthy, which is really nice. So I'm going to sit here, I'm going to sip my drink in the sun, get some really good vitamin D on my skin, help me hopefully get rid of this head cold, and enjoy day 9. See you later. Basil's got the right idea as well. Don't you? Oh, thanks for the kisses. It's so nice out here. We're loving it. Well, the background is definitely my life today. Water, elemental diet, and a big box of tissues because all I'm doing is blowing my nose and sneezing and sounding really croaky and looking really, oh, my poor little sinus system, and this whole left side is just weeping and snot and tears. I haven't even bothered doing my hair or makeup today because I'm like, what's the point? It's just going to run off my face. Just a quick update on fat. So I have started putting a 1/4 teaspoon of MCT oil in with my shakes. And so far, so good. No stomach upsets, no explosive diarrhea, and no cramps or bloating. So I'm going to do another couple of shakes today
and if all goes well and I wake up feeling fine tomorrow, I'm going to try a half teaspoon and try out half teaspoons in my shakes tomorrow, and then I'll see how I go. But I'll let you guys know how I'm going with that. Earlier today I was saying a few words of thanks, but I realised I was walking past these guys at the park as I was walking Basil, who were doing whippersnippers and mowing, and it was really noisy, so I cut it short. But I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody who has taken the time to tell me, send me their love, send me their encouragement, send me their kind words. It just means the absolute world to me to know that I've got people supporting me both near and far, all around the world. And thank you guys so much for making the effort to reach out and send me a few words. Big thanks to everybody that is commenting on my vlogs on YouTube. It's really nice to hear from you. And to my fellow elemental dieters, you've got this, you can do it, keep going. I'm amazed I'm at day 9. So wherever you are in your journey, well done, because I know how challenging this diet, this way of living for a few weeks is. So go you good things.